What's going on YouTube? Today we're gonna do it's like a mini vlog almost, but we're gonna start off our day. I already did my little push-ups or whatever, but it's doing the dumbbells. Really just getting ready for the day. There's really not nothing, hopefully our boys can see, but it's really not, there's really not my workouts for today. Tonight we're gonna go work out, but this is like a pre-workout. I already did my push-ups and stuff like that. But what I do, let's say 4 sets of 25, basically 100. And I might do regular curls, or I might do hammer curls. Boom, boom. The reason why y'all wanna work out, because it all starts right here. It all starts in your head. Everything starts within your head. How your day go by, your day-to-day stuff, it all starts right here. It all starts with your body, what you put in your body, how you treating your body, how your body looks. How your body looks can give you a boost of confidence. And how your body looks can actually, I want to say, make you cut hair a lot better than what you've been cutting. You'll go into things feeling a lot more confident about yourself and your skill level and whatnot. And I'm out of breath, but I already did my little push-ups. Boom. A couple months ago, I wasn't looking like this. Didn't really have no muscle. Kind of getting big. I say a year ago. This is like a year. This is like 6 months worth of progress, I would say. I'm not big. I'm not really trying to get big, but you know. Let's see how many of these I could do for y'all. Let me see if y'all. How many push-ups y'all think I could do? 5, 10, 15, 25, 100. Over time, it was getting kind of hard to do like 50 something push-ups, but 25 push-ups. It was hard to do 25 push-ups, but now it's like I could just keep going forever for real. It's very easy over time. Y'all know one thing that's really fire about life, that we get to be whoever we want to be. If you're lazy, you're lazy. If you want to be successful, you want to be successful. But really, you really got to act on those actions or those thoughts and make them actions for real, because you can think you want to be this and that all day and you can never be. You can never turn into that person that you're supposed to be just because of your actions, bro. Start today. Start today, start getting after it today. And success is just it's a bunch of accolades or a bunch of accomplishments built on top of each other to make that one goal, that one successful goal, that thing that you might find successful about yourself. It's a whole bunch of things leading up to that one thing. That's why it's so important to start today and not tomorrow, because you just prolonging your success or prolonging the person you're supposed to be or where you're supposed to be at. That money, that good money that's supposed to be in your pockets, you're prolonging it because you're starting tomorrow. You're procrastinating. You're being a procrastinator, bro. Start today. This is when it's gonna count. We talking about your future. Your future is what you playing with. Me, I'm not gonna play around my future. I'm gonna just keep going. I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do to, get me where I need to go. Ask you this question. You can hold it, you can spectate it, you can do everything you need to do. Look at it. If you want to see the back, look at it through the, It's good? That's it. Alright, we about to end. If you had any advice for younger people, what would it be? For somebody in their 20s and somebody just about to be a young adult, maybe 18, 19, 20 years old, what would be just a life advice you think?
I would tell them they got a dream. Never give up on your dream.
Yeah.
No matter how it seems like it's gonna fail.
Alright.
Don't nothing hurt but a try. Keep trying, keep striving. And I promise you'll get where you want to be.
Yeah. I feel like as humans, we don't get past the first stage to anything. And the first thing is trying, or attempting to start, or basically just starting something for real. Capes like this on your clients. Supposed to come over, let me tell you, boom. Supposed to come over and just be proper with it. Boom. Put that cape on. Line prep is key. Watch this. With line prep, you get that ash mark, that crispy, nice ash mark that everybody likes. Or most people likes, I would say. So, man, put that up a little bit. He's all the way from the Dominican Republic for opportunity to play baseball down here in Mississippi. Or the US, I would say. So, we're gonna ask him, what's your why? By why, I mean, what's his why? Why is he doing what he's doing? Or what is his motivation? What is pushing him to be greater, want more from life? And he's in high school, so he's around 16, 17, I'm pretty sure 17 or 18, maybe 19 maybe, who knows? But what's your why?
I say my motivation will be my family.
Your family?
Yeah, and I grew up where nobody gives you the opportunity. So
okay.
When the opportunity comes, you gotta be grateful and take it. Like, be 100% with it. And that's it, man.
Alright.
Always work hard every day and be grateful.
Yeah, most people don't get to reach. I feel like it's the easiest time ever that it's ever been in life. Even if you're not physically able to have like a gifted skill or anything like that, you can really and honestly, through hard work ethic and dedication for it, just discipline, doing it every single day, making sure you're on top of things and not being a procrastinator or nothing like that. Because like 90% or 80% of the world they're lazy people. We're all lazy people for real. Well, like 90% of us. So if you really put your mind to something and you want to be great in a certain area, your competition is like little to none. And like honestly, your competition is basically little to none. Because nobody really, willing to put in a lot of work behind the cameras or behind the scene, or after baseball dealing with him, like after practice, nobody's going home and putting in that extra mile at all. Little to none. Nobody's really doing it. So if you really want to, really go somewhere or achieve that dream, that's all you gotta do, just put in that extra little mile to, just do the things that people aren't doing every single day. Getting out your comfort zone. So, that's it. Comparison to one of my clients. I'm coming from on the ground, we ain't gonna work on it. Alright, stand right here. I don't know if I can see the difference, but he's like, I'm 5'10", 5'11", he's
6'6".
6'6", crazy. Michael Jordan height. Crazy. Alright, y'all, that's my last appointment for today. We're gonna keep this on, we're gonna spray some little, kind of fresh. Just spray that all around. That's what I do before I leave. So when I come up here the next day, oh, it can smell good. So, not too much of a long day. It's kind of a I wasn't booked out today. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Still made good money today. Very good money. I'm blessed to have almost 2 more people would have booked out, been booked out. It's a crazy thing that, after Easter or after a holiday, I already have people. Today is Monday. Easter was just yesterday on Sunday. I already have people booked for the rest of my days. Every single day for the rest of my days, I already have people booked. So it's to a point to where God has blessed me to make money even after the holidays, bro. A lot of people may be booked for that one. Y'all not gonna be able to see me, but a lot of people, they won't be booked for. Some people don't even get booked for holidays, bro. You just gotta keep grinding. It comes over time. Like I was telling somebody else that text me on, Instagram. Barbering is a long-term thing. Barbering is a long-term thing. Wait. Bro, this is the gym fit right here, shirt tucked in and everything. I don't think I'm about to record because they do have a lot of people in, but I know I look like an egghead, but it's H5B. If you're not handling your business, what you're doing. If you're in the gym right now, you will hit it like 90% of the world, bro. Just remember that. You're working on your body, all starts here. Get a little workout in for y'all. We'll record a little bit after everybody enough because the gym was boom. It was pretty packed. But look, it's either now or never, bro. You wanna stay broke your whole life? Go ahead. You wanna get rich? Go ahead. All I can do is motivate you. But if you wanna be broke, go for it, bro. It don't affect me or my life. It affect you. I'm just here to motivate you. Motivate you to want more. Motivate you to want to do better in your life, bro. Motivate you to want to get better at cutting hair. You know? ECT. I think that's ... So, look, it's H5B. It's your favorite barber. Make sure you like this video. This is a vlog, partner. Make sure you like this video. Comment. If you made it this far, comment how tall dude was in the video. Comment how tall. If y'all skip through the video, I ain't gonna know what I'm talking about. Y'all not. Comment how tall dude was inside the video. If you watch the whole video, you know what I'm talking about. Soon we're gonna be doing the giveaway, bro. If y'all at the CT Barber Expo this year, I will be there. Y'all be there. Y'all try to make it there. If y'all in Connecticut, I'm coming to your city, boy. I'm coming to your city. But look, it's H5B. If you're not handling your business, what you doing? And we out.